Hey guys, welcome back to Hugs and Honey. Good to see you today. I am on a hike in a beautiful, beautiful area, as you can see, and I'm about to go through this amazing tunnel of redwood trees, which I just think is so amazing. So I wanted to share it with you. I just want to walk through it with you. In energy medicine, we use redwood trees to anchor us and to protect us and to ground us. So this is really special. You can just feel the energy of these trees. Look at this. It's creating a little pathway for me and for anyone who walks through it, really. I'm just going to be quiet as we walk through. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. I see you, I hear you, I'm here for you, and I love you. See you tomorrow. Bye.